Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the STP Volume Momentum Oscillator. Now, if you guys don't know what momentum oscillators do, well, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys how to identify where the high volume and low volume areas are of trends, and how to identify bullish and bearish divergence. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Evan from Swing Trade Pros here. In this video, I'm going to just show you briefly how to set up the STP Volume Momentum Indicator, and here we go. So basically, just go to Indicators, Invite Only Scripts, choose the Volume Momentum Oscillator. You'll see that here. I have it twice on my screen here, but basically this is the Momentum Oscillator. Okay, and as you can see closely here, the lighter the shade, the higher the volume areas are, okay? And obviously down here on the negative momentum, you can see the higher volume areas are lighter shaded. So this would be like an optimal entry point for a long. This would be an optimal entry point for a short. You get the point. So let's get into the charts, all right? Let's go to Bitcoin here. I'm just gonna go to BTC USD. We're gonna look at the Bitfinex chart, okay? Obviously Bitfinex definitely is a runner. All right. So as you can see, we definitely got a weekly sell signal that came in. So basically what we're looking for here is negative momentum to be building, right? So in the previous little bull run we had here, okay, you can see that we built negative momentum up, right? We made our lowest low of negative momentum here and our second low here, but it was a higher low of negative momentum. In my opinion, that is classic bullish divergence, okay? And same here with the positive momentum. You know, we created that bearish divergence, right? We got a top here and a lower high here. We got bearish divergence. We're going to see price action move down to the downside now, right? Until we kind of bottom out on the negative momentum side, okay? So that's just kind of briefly how you utilize the volume momentum oscillator. Now, if we go to like a shorter time scale, like a daily chart, okay, you can see obviously there's just going to be lots more areas of negative momentum and positive momentum. Obviously we created some positive momentum here, but this is what we call bearish convergence, where we continually make lower levels of negative momentum, and that turns into, or continue to make lower levels of positive momentum, which is obviously inherently bearish, right? We just dropped like 4 or 6% in the last 24 hours with Bitcoin. So hopefully this video was very explanatory for you guys for the STP Volume Momentum Oscillator. Make sure you guys hit that like, the bell, the sub, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.